Okay, now in this lesson, we will learn how to import an external dependency into our project. And in this case, we are using some numerical operations that are in the standard and core Rust library. But this dependency is in another library called num. So the idea here is to use this library in our project, and the way you do this is just running cargo add num. So if I go to my project here, when I run cargo add num, it will automatically change and add this dependency here in the cargo toml file, and the cargo lock already has all these dependencies. So this is a very simple step, and from now on, what this command is doing is that it is downloading the file from the crates.io, which is like similar to the npm, or for those who are used to JavaScript. The same way we have the package.json in JavaScript, we have cargo toml in Rust, and basically it is adding this dependency in our code, and when I run the command, it will just install it, and that's it. So very simple step in this lesson.